Alright. Welcome back to the IT Bot YouTube channel, and I hope you're all doing very well. Yeah, it's been a long time since I posted a video on this channel. Yes, it's been a long while, and I hope you guys have been asking why I've not been posting regularly. Yes. In this video, I just came to introduce make an introduction concerning the next video that will be coming in. Yes, I just came to to let you guys know the next videos that will be coming in. Yes, so in our next videos to come, we are going to be talking about how to design a website, websites using WordPress. In our next videos to come, we are going to be talking a lot about how to design a website with WordPress. How do I mean? What I mean is this: we are going to learn how to design a company's website, a blog website, an e-commerce website, an NGO website, or and any other kind of website with WordPress. Yes, with WordPress. So in the subsequent videos that will be coming, I will be highlighting more on what WordPress is, and then how you can design a website with WordPress. So stick and stay, guys. Share this video and also like this video as we dive much more into web design using WordPress. So stick and stay, and then watch this video, and then the next videos to come. Thank you very much, and bye bye.